Hey guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and a special thanks to Linda for giving me permission to shoot this video over to you guys. Now, I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy over there in Alabama, especially with all the rain that we've been getting lately over here in New Mexico and just all over the U.S. I know that it's getting kind of crazy right now with this weather. But I just wanted to break down some tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence and also build your online relevancy. Being relevant in this digital age is a huge deal, right? Especially on Google. So I'm just going to show you exactly how these tips and tricks can kind of like benefit you. Okay, so the three things that we're going to talk about today is content. We're going to talk about backlinks and referring domains, and then last thing we're going to talk about are citations. Okay. Now, first things first, your website is absolutely beautiful. Like the landscaping on here, these beautiful flowers. I mean, it is amazing. Seeing the owner on here, Daryl Anderson, kind of builds trust, especially locally there in excuse me, in Huntsville. Seeing just the work that you guys have done in the past, it really builds trust with your potential clients, right? But unfortunately, Google cares more about content than they do anything else. Okay, so if I were to highlight all the content, obviously content is just the words on your homepage here. If I were to copy all the content and put it in my word counter here, you'd see that you have about 685 words total, okay, on your website. Now, Google counts a really authoritative website to have anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words on the homepage alone, okay? So even if you just wanted to eclipse that 1,000 word mark, that would definitely increase your visibility, okay? And by visibility, I mean Google being able to find you a lot more. So if someone is looking for landscaping in Huntsville, Alabama, well, then your website would be more likely to get pulled up, right? Because you have more content, okay, than your competitors. So, secondly, what I'm going to talk to you about today, as I said, are backlinks and referring domains. Okay, now I went on ahead and typed in your URL here in my tool. It's called Ahrefs. Now, what Ahrefs does is it, excuse me, it breaks down some stats and kind of shows me what's going on in the background of your website, okay? Obviously, this is a tool, and you can find tools similar to this on Google just by typing in like keyword researcher or like backlink checker like that, okay? Now, referring domains here are just the number of websites that are linking to your website, that are pushing traffic to your website, okay? And then backlinks are just the number of times that these websites are linking to you. So you have 91 websites linking to you, and they're doing so 357 times, okay? You have 331 keywords, okay, on your entire website, and 3 of them are in the top 3, which is good. You have roughly, on average, right, this is all about monthly, you have 138 people visiting your website per month, bringing you a total of $312 in traffic value, okay? Now, I went on ahead and did the same thing with your local competitors there, okay, Vets Lawn. And as you can see, they have less referring domains, and it's looking like, yeah, they have less backlinks as well. They have 98 keywords, and 2 of them are ranking in the top 3. But they're having more people visit their website per month, 179 people, okay, as far as yours, 138, okay, and bringing them more traffic value, okay. Now, the reason why it's like this is because their referring domains and their backlinks are of better quality than yours, okay. So they're having to work less hard to get with their to get them this amount of traffic, okay? So they're having to work less hard to get you this amount of traffic. So now, or to get them this amount of traffic. So if you wanted to just go in here and click their referring domains and see exactly where they're getting their traffic from, I mean, you just go down here and see Growth Zone app. Looks like they're getting a lot of traffic from here. So Google is a popularity contest, okay? I should tell you that. And they want to see other websites, other blogs, other things like that are relevant to what you do, right? They know that you're not a Pizza Hut. They know that you're not a restaurant or anything like that. So they don't want, these websites that are not relevant to what you do linking to you, okay? This is why I say that their referring domains and backlinks are probably more quality than yours, okay? Now, the last thing that I'm going to talk to you about today are citations. Now, citations are just anywhere that your business can be found in a directory, okay? Now, obviously, they would need your business name, your phone number, and your address, okay, in these directories. And a directory is basically like Yellow Pages, White Pages. You've got Angie's List, Yelp, Home Advisor, places like that, right? There's thousands more that you can put your business on, right? Especially locally, okay, they're in Huntsville. Now, as long as your business had more citations than your competitors, well, then you take this #1 spot here. Okay, so if Veterans Lawn here, right, you're the #1 company there according to Google, it would. So say if they have, I don't know, 50 to 100 different citations, well then I would want to one up them, right, to like 150 or 200, just to ensure that I'm constantly taking this #1 spot. Now the good thing about this is that it doesn't matter where you are in Huntsville, right? East, south, northwest, it does not matter. If you had more citations than these guys here, you'd constantly take this #1 spot as long as your Google business profile is connected in Huntsville, right? As long as it has a Huntsville address. Now, I don't know if you're like me, right? I don't go down here to the second or third page of Google to actually find what I'm looking for. So I usually trust this map pack here. Okay. Now, so just to kind of recap. So the first thing, right, would be to up that content from 600 to just to eclipse that 1,000 word mark, and then getting those backlinks from your competitors and using them as your own, right? Obviously, if they're good enough to rank them, well, then they're good enough to rank you. And then lastly is building that citation list. So putting your business in more directories so that you can take control of this map pack here so that you can get all the calls, right, and get more clients. Other than that, I mean, you have two options, right? You're probably wondering where to go from here. So obviously you can take this information yourself and utilize it. And I've seen a lot of people, I've talked to a lot of business owners, and just taking this information, utilizing it, they have scaled their businesses like higher, like so much higher. If you're looking to outsource some help in any way, right? If you're like, hey, Seuss, you know what? I could use some advice in this area. You could definitely reach out to me, and you can see, I should say, I can see what I do to help you. Okay. Thank you so much again for taking the time to watch this video, and I appreciate your time. Have a good day.